Hey Capricorns, Trishna here. Today we're going to go into your November 2018 forecast, and what I'm feeling for you is I feel like you guys are ready for the holidays to begin. And you're not ready for the holidays because, it's like the end of the year, finally the holidays are here, I need some time off, or finally this year is over. It has nothing to do with that. I feel like you guys are ready for the holidays because you have reason to celebrate and you're ready to start celebrating now. I think that maybe you accomplished something or you learned something new that you've been wanting to learn, or maybe a piece of the puzzle has fit in, or you've gotten some new clients or something, or you feel like a piece of the puzzle is about to fit in, or you feel like you're about to get clients, like they're just around the corner and you're ready to celebrate now. So this is a really good time for you, positive time. You're very optimistic. You're looking forward to the holidays because you want to celebrate and you're ready to start celebrating now. And how much awesomer could that be? Now, the guidance that I get for you for November, though, is that don't forget to enjoy this time and make use of this time, because this is just the beginning of November. If you guys already have reason to celebrate now, think about how much more you could celebrate if you focus on the present moment and thought about the things you can accomplish between now and the holidays, or now and December. Like, there's so much more that you could learn or you could do or you could grow, like ways you could grow. So don't forget about this time. Definitely celebrate. If you want to start celebrating now, go ahead and do that, but don't forget to also appreciate that time isn't up yet. The end of the year isn't up yet. There's still more that you can do and accomplish, and many more reasons you can create to have a celebration for at the end of the year. So yeah, just be present in this moment, and yeah, there's just a lot more that you can be proud of yourself for at the end of the year if you make the best use of this time here and now. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to check out the description box. I have a free course for empaths, for any of you that are empaths and interested. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.